Hi, my name is Samantha Goldstein, and we're going to review Lino boards, a JETS recommended EdTech tool. This Lino board is considered empty, which means it is without student responses. Students have to review the question, when did Israel begin, and vote on their favorite response and explain why. They can do this during class if they all have devices during class, or they can do it at home. So they can take a look at when did Israel begin, when God created the world, when Jacob fought with the angel, etc. And then they think about what they would like, what they agree with most, and they record their responses. Here's one that's considered a full Lino board, and here you could see the students' various responses. Lino boards are fantastic because they have images, text, and videos. So you could put here any information you'd like for students in order to do some self-exploration. Here's another sample that I use for an Ivrit class. Using a song, La'uf, a famous singer by Harel Scott, they can begin playing the video, and they can listen to the song, and the lyrics are here. And then they have to say their favorite lyric or record themselves using these words, which I can give them. And here are some recording links that they can go to do that, or they can create their own. So that's one sample. Here's another one I use for a Hebrew language class, listening to another Hebrew song, and they can review the main vocabulary words from the Hebrew song. They can say, how does the song connect to the army? Or they can make, what was your favorite line of the song? Lots of different things you can do with Lino boards. Some pointers in using them are these following guidelines: using open-ended questions. It has examples for differentiated learning, such as making recording tools, creating your own, or deciding which one you want to respond to out of a list of different choices. It requires interaction and applying it to your life, and also requiring the students to respond to each other. Overall, I find Lino boards to be extremely aesthetic, very engaging because of the reasons we just stated, and of course, interactive. Every student responds. Every voice is heard. Here's a response from one student. I like the Lino boards because it's a great example of how you can build on what people say, literally. The boards always look so cool because there are stickies upon stickies, and sometimes they branch off, and you could just add new ideas. Also, in general, someone can ask a question publicly and everyone can answer. Everyone's teaching everyone. Contact jetsisrael.com for more information about how you can book JETS EdTech webinars at your school.